Hi friends, welcome to my channel Watching You. Today I am going to draw and tell you about some interesting information about Bulbasaur. Bulbasaur, the adorable seed Pokemon. With its cute face and big, red eyes, Bulbasaur looks like a friendly froggy friend. But what makes Bulbasaur truly unique is the mysterious bulb on its back. Did you know that this bulb is planted there right from the moment Bulbasaur is born? Incredible, isn't it? Now, here's a fun fact. Bulbasaur loves soaking up the sun. Just like us, it enjoys napping in the warm, bright sunlight. But do you know why? It's because the bulb on its back acts like a solar panel, absorbing sunlight to help Bulbasaur grow big and strong. While Bulbasaur snoozes, the seed inside its bulb works its magic, using the energy from the sun to grow and thrive. And when it's time for adventure, Bulbasaur's trusty vines come into play. These vines, which sprout from its bulb, can be used as handy weapons or even for gentle hugs. But wait, there's more. Bulbasaur isn't just a brave little warrior, it's also a loyal friend. In the wild, Bulbasaur can be a bit shy, but once it trusts you, it's a lifelong companion. That's why many new trainers in the Kanto region choose Bulbasaur as their first Pokemon partner. Now, here's where the adventure gets even more exciting. When Bulbasaur has gathered enough energy and sunlight in its bulb, it evolves into Ivysaur. And from there, it can grow into the majestic Venusaur. But no matter how big and strong it becomes, Bulbasaur will always hold a special place in our hearts. So, young trainers, are you ready to catch your very own Bulbasaur and start your Pokemon adventure? Bulbasaur was no ordinary Pokemon. It is a grass and poison type. Bulbasaur's journey wasn't just about basking in the sun. It faced many challenges along the way, from battling other Pokemon to exploring vast forests and meadows. Despite its grass and poison typing, Bulbasaur was brave and resilient. Through every adventure, Bulbasaur's seed grew steadily larger, reflecting the strength and determination of our little Pokemon friend. It wasn't just a seed anymore. It was a symbol of Bulbasaur's journey and the bond it shared with nature. Feel free to explore my other videos showcasing various characters and techniques, such as color pencils, watercolors, markers, and watercolor pencils. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and let me know which character to draw next. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my videos. Bye for now.